Welcome to the Jungle Quiz. Think you know your rainforests? Get ready to test your wild knowledge in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Question number 1. What is the term for a tropical jungle with dense vegetation? Your options are A. Rainforest, B. Tundra, C. Savanna. Question number 2. What percentage of the Earth's species are estimated to live in jungles? Your options are A. 25%, B. 50%, C. 75%. Question number 3. Which bird, known for its colorful beak, is commonly found in jungles? Your options are A. Bald eagle, B. Toucan, C. Flamingo,